Okay. So there was one instance where one of my coachee in our initial sessions said that I hate myself.
Mm,
Okay. And that
mm,
person was a very, like, when we look at that person, we'll never realize that this such a strong feeling
mm,
is there within.
mm,
And the strong statement made me realize that there's so many things inside from within.
mm.
So that feeling comes from years of comparison in childhood,
Huh.
not being able to pursue career paths that, one is not able to truly pursue. So when one takes up transition coaching, it helps one understand that whatever you feel today, why is the case. So it's like
Mm,
a diagnostic. I recently learned a word called theranostics.
mm.
So
Okay.
theranostics,
Do tell.
it's about a medical term. It's a medical term.
Right.
However, it's a combination of diagnosis and therapy. So it happens in cancer, but
Mm,
this is a very nice term to fit here also.
mm,
So when
mm,
you are diagnosing the cause
mm,
of why are you feeling like this
mm,
in this transition,
mm.
and then finding ways where we can regulate our emotions
Huh.
and go in the right path, there are hundreds, millions of mothers out there, right?
Right.
But isn't the story of motherhood, or new parent
Mm.
different for everyone?
Correct.
How
True.
they deal with postpartum,
Mm.
how they deal with understanding the in hundreds of perspectives that come to a mother when how
Mm.
she should deal with the child, how she should
Right.
raise the child, and how
Right.
to deal with that
Mm.
hundreds of perspectives.
Mm.
That change, or that the way you respond to these things, are very much in line with how
Mm.
we have lived our so many years. Were we
Mm.
killed, or have we had all the baggages on our shoulder and we that? So for example, if we have not done the theranostics
Mm.
at transition stage, don't you think that baggage will be passed on to the new life?
True. Mm.
Right? So for someone who comes for any transition coaching,
Mm.
very important that the phase that we are, the juncture that we are, we do not take the things from our past
Mm.
in future for those
Mm.
that do not serve us anymore.
Correct. True.
It's not that we will definitely, we'll 100% unload and we are a new person. That's never possible,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm.
However, we need to understand what is serving us, what is not serving us.
Right.
And what is not serving us, to understand that you need help.
Mm.
Doing it
Mm.
on your own will make you feel overwhelming.
Mm.
Simple as that.
Mm.
You sit with someone, and like in meetings, people brainstorm.
Mm.
And when a coach helps you understand the root of those feelings,
Mm.
on embracing them rather than avoiding them,
Mm.
and reframing the limiting beliefs, that
Right.
is when you reconnect with the sense of purpose. There are so
Mm.
many people out there, Rahul, who have no idea about their purpose in life.
Correct.
So purposes can be different. It could be as beautiful as just wanting to be happy.
Mm.
Could be as beautiful as having your business empire. Everything is
Mm.
beautiful, but at least knowing what your heart wants,
Right.
what your soul
Mm.
wants.
Mm.
Do you want to go on a retreat like you did
Mm.
one recently?
Yeah.
Do you want to go and explore a new market for your
Mm.
business? Or
Mm.
do you want to start something of your own where you can like balance your family and your
Mm.
what is
Mm.
what do you want?
Mm.
I remember you saying this. What do you really want in our
Mm.
extra life? Right? I'll bring back
Yeah.
to that. It's such a powerful question, right?
Mm.
So at every stage, the shift has to be understood in such a way that you are letting go of certain things, because when you are transitioning to a
Mm.
phase, you cannot be the same person who you were previously.
Correct. True.
That version, when you realize that you are not the same person in your new phase of life,
Mm.
that is the beauty of life, and that is when you will be able to grow.
Mm.
And that
Right.
is why having a transitioning coach will help you
Wow.
in the right direction with a set of frameworks.
Wow. Awesome.